Oh, there they are.
11:55.
11:55. She'll be back.
account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
They need to keep it this picture for the plant.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area. growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
Going.
Sorry. Or we could do a different ride. I mean,
heads a day. For these guys right now, we're shooting for somewhere close to around 40 heads a day. And so we use romaine lettuce because it's easy to get, number one. Number two, it's nice, seems to be a nice balance between nutritionally as well as what they seem to enjoy eating. We will offer other things as well. Things like green leaf lettuce, bok choy, spinach, and other types of greens. In the wild, they're going to be eating all kinds of different algae, seagrass, types of other aquatic vegetation as well. Pretty much whatever they can find, they'll munch on. So now these guys are
air that she needs to breathe while she's underwater. That tank contains enough air to fill a compact car or to let her dive for about an hour to an hour and a half based upon what she's doing under the water. Attached to that tank is her regulator. We're going to have her show us her regulator. We're going to put our hand.
It's fun to be free, to be on the move, to go anywhere with never a care, to do all there is to be done. It's fun to be free. It's fun to be free, to be on the move, to ride on a bike wherever you like, to thrill to this beautiful land. You'll see what living can be. It's fun to be free. If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. Have you ever had a dream unto the future? Circling the world, there is to see the wonder of finding new ways that'll lead to the promise of brighter days. And it will be a future built with care for you and me. A world we all could share, for today holds the promise to make this world a better place to be. New horizons for you. New horizons for you and for me. Tomorrow